Hi guys, welcome to Makeup Cafe. And today, as I said, I have this mask makeup for you because this is how we have to protect ourselves for some time now, and we gotta look glam at the same time. So, with masks plus the humid weather, which is not making anything better, so the important thing is we have to make it non-transferable and make it stay for a longer time. Like you gotta bake your face and also use non-transferable products. Important for all skin types, of course, but very important for the oily skin types. Also, with the masks, let the eyes do the talking for some time. So this is an opportunity to play with some eyeshadows. Now let's start with today's makeup. So I am starting with a clean face and I felt a little bit dry, especially on the sides of my mouth. So I applied a bit of moisturizer to prep my face. You can also use a primer at this point. And this is the Dr. Sheth's moisturizer. I'll mention all the product details below for your reference. After that, what do I have for you? I have a very exciting product, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You should literally look at the luxurious bottle and the packaging. It's just beautiful. Too Faced always impresses with its attractive packaging. So I thought, as I was trying the product, so I thought why not use it on my entire face as my base today. So I just dotted over and just applied a very little amount, but it just went on the entire face. And then I used a damp beauty blender to blend it all. This one is by Romare Cosmetics, by the way. So you'll see the effect of this product now. This is the bestseller because of some reason. So I also tried it on my under eyes and it looked wonderful. Just look at the coverage. So as I felt comfortable, I applied a little bit more on the area like my under eyes and also around the mouth. That's the areas I applied a second layer. So you can also follow the same trick. Just use a first layer, and then if you feel comfortable with the product, you can always put on some more, but always try to start with less. And I was totally impressed by the finish of this concealer. So I thought to prep up my eyes also, and I'm using this NYX HD primer, eye primer. Very important for this type of makeup in such humid weather. Don't skip that. And follow your eye prepping with the base product that you have used. I'm using my Too Faced concealer. You should see the type of coverage that it has bought, guys. Thanks to Nykaa for bringing it into India. It's an amazing product. I just loved it. So after that, very important step is to set your makeup. So first of all, I'm going to set my under eyes so that nothing moves, and it also increases the longevity of my makeup. Basically, it will not let it melt very easily. So after setting the important areas, under eyes, like the under eyes and around the mouth, I took a big fluffy brush. This is my powder brush. And I took some more powder and applied it on my entire face. So you can also, you should actually do the same thing if you're stepping out in such hot weather, and especially if you have oily skin, you must do this step. So next, let's do the eyebrows now, and quickly pick your eyebrow pencils, and this one is by L'Oreal. So I fill my gaps and then just comb them up. So that's how the eyebrows are done. And after that, it is time to do the eyes. Yes, you can give time to the eyes. So I'm using my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette, which is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette, and I just love it so much. So now with an eyeshadow brush, there's a blending brush, by the way. I'm using this purple color at the very center, and I'm just applying it close to my lash line, above and bottom of the eye as well. I'll give a lift from the bottom of my eye rather than from the top. So you can see a close-up over here. Look at how pretty the color is. So with the masks on, you can play with some eyeshadows. You can maybe use colorful eyeshadows. So now I'm picking this metallic purple, and I just applied a little bit on my finger and then just blended it with the finger only. You don't necessarily need a brush for this, just make it look effortless. And then I just intensified the purple, the matte purple, even more so that the focus is still over there. So you see, that's how the eye makeup is done, the eyeshadow work is done, sorry. So one thing that is left is the highlighting, and I picked this color which is I think called Twilight, which is the most prettiest color in this palette, and I used it to highlight my inner corner. You can also use it on the brow bone if you want. So the last step is this eye pencil. This one is by MAC. It's called Prunella. You can also use your black kohl pencil. It will also look beautiful. You just need to bring attention to your eyes. So I'm applying it on my waterline, and I'm also tight lining my eyes, by applying it on the top. You can do this by closing your eye. So with the same pencil, I went again on the bottom lash line, very, very close, just to intensify that color a little bit. You'll see it will look very beautiful. And then I took a flat brush like this one. You can use your eyeshadow brush to blend this color. And you can also skip using the eye pencil if you want. So you see how my eye shape is lifted. That was the magic of the tricks that I used. And after that, I'm using this MAC mascara. This is just a sample, but it's a beautiful mascara. You'll see the lift that it brings to the lashes. It's like using a lash curler. So that's how we'll do the next thing on the face, which is the bronzing. I just took a powder brush, my Hoola bronzer, and just applied a little bit bronzer all over my face. Just warmed up a little bit on the cheeks, on the jawline, and on the forehead. That's it. A very, very quick step. So I skipped the blusher because I thought there's too much color on the eye already, and I moved on directly to the highlighting, and I took this sugar jelly highlighter. Now this is also a non-transferable product. It just sticks to the skin very nicely, so I thought to use this for this look. It's a jelly highlighter, but do not confuse it with something that is transferable. It is not. So now we are done. We're done with the base and only the lips are left. Now you need a non-transferable lipstick for this step. I have picked the Huda liquid lipstick, and this is my favorite color. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. It is called Trendsetter, and this is the liquid lipstick collection, and it's a beautiful color. So now, because I was wearing a deep neck, I also applied a little bit product, my base product, on my neck as well. You can do the same just to make the skin color uniform. And after that, after you're done, just spray a fixing spray on your entire makeup. I use the MAC Fix Plus. You can use your own makeup fixing spray. In fact, you can also make it at home. I've also done a video on that. You can watch that. So guys, that's it. That was the mask makeup. So you are ready to wear the mask and go wherever you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Take care. See you pretty soon. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.